Hello and welcome to another Tip Tuesday. My name is Mike Latzy, and today I've got a quick tip for you using equipment updates in workflow configuration. If you're a system administrator, you should be familiar with using equipment updates to apply to equipment at the finish of an event. The ones I want to show you are items that are easily overlooked when performing the equipment updates. We have some ways to prompt our users with choices of whether to fire an update or not, or to provide them with a list of choices to make to update specific fields. So in this first example here, I'm just prompting the user, should status 1 be cleared? And then the way we give a yes or no button is we have a pipe character here, which is just the shift backslash above the enter key, and we just say yes, no after the pipe here. Okay, and if the user selects yes, then we fire the update to change status 1 to unchecked here we see. And then the other example I want to show here is how to give the user choices. So we're prompting to say please select the return method, and then again a pipe character, UPS, FedEx, pickup, delivery. We separate all our options with pipes here as well. And then what we do here with the equipment update is the field that we're updating, we want to make sure that we're using not in list so that we can get the box to type in here. But the way we format this is exclamation point, question result, and then another exclamation point. Just make sure you hit enter there to save that. And then we go ahead and close out of that, and let's go run this here. So I go into the shipping event and add my equipment and hit finish. We get the prompt, should status 1 be cleared? We get the yes, no buttons here. I'm actually going to say no to this one. And then I'm going to say my return method, we'll say is UPS. So we can see it updates over here. Status 1 remains checked. Let's run that one more time. And finish. Oh, sorry about that. And we get the prompt again. I'm going to say yes to clear it, and then let's say this was a delivery. So we see that field updates and status 1 is unchecked. So hopefully you find that useful, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.